Welcome to Adventures with C3.
And today in this video we are doing
Parkville Nature Sanctuary.
Let's get to it. Man, I feel like that's a huge tsunami or something that's about to crash down on us.
I wonder if that's good for sledding.
Oh, that would be great.
Oh, yeah. Can we go here when it snows?
I don't know. We'll see.
Well, we'll need to buy a sled first. I've never been
What
sledding.
does the sign say for one?
I don't know. Can I run
Probably
up to it?
says don't trespass.
Can I go run up to it and ask? Well, see?
Sure.
Sonic?
See, they're.
Fear of snakes.
I was just gonna say he's not afraid of snakes all of a sudden running through tall grass.
No trespassing. Anyone who violates this will be persecuted. It says anyone who goes out there will be persecuted.
Persecuted.
Prosecuted.
Yeah.
Not as bad, but still. Alrighty. Well, we'll censor this part so they don't get in trouble. All right, let's keep going. Is that exciting? So would you say you like the carrier?
I do. Makes it easy. I love this sling, but at the same time, with him on my back, I don't slouch one side or the other.
Hey, again. Silly kid.
That would have been interesting. Okay, so Caveman, what was your favorite part of
My
this?
favorite part was the waterfall.
Kagan.
The waterfall bit, and I got I found the seashells.
My favorite part was probably a tie with Tsunami Hill.
Which is not its real name.
I know, but it's the highest hill I've ever seen. The other favorite was this it was like these railings and wood that you were climbing on earlier. It made us high above the grass and all that.
Okay. Kagan, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was the bridge.
The bridge.
Bridge or the waterfall?
Or the water bridge.
Water bridge.
All right, you guys ready to go home?
Yep.
Not yet, but we got
Not
the
yet.
monster truck.
He wants a monster truck really bad. I don't.
Come on. Let's go, because I can tell you gotta go potty.
I want to say thank you for watching. I'll see y'all later. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and comment which trail we should do next. Bye.
You guys ready?
Did you not record that?
I did. I'm
Okay.
still